Hi everyone. Today we will see the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Well, in my previous video, I have explained what is bookkeeping and accounting. So what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is an art and science of recording business transactions in a systematic and chronological order. And what is accounting? Accounting is a system of collecting, summarizing, analyzing, and reporting in monetary terms the information of business. Well, now we will see the basic difference between bookkeeping and accounting. First point of our discussion is origin. Now, bookkeeping is the first step before accounting commences, and accounting follows after bookkeeping procedures are completed. You can say that bookkeeping is the basis of accounting and accounting is the culminations of bookkeeping. It starts where bookkeeping ends. Next is scope. The scope of bookkeeping is limited. Bookkeeping, accounting. So, the scope of bookkeeping is limited, whereas the scope of accounting is wider. Now, what next point is activities. Now, bookkeeping covers journalizing, posting, and extracting of balances. So, what? Journalizing, posting, and extracting of balances. Journalizing, posting, and extracting of balances. And accounting covers preparation of final accounts and balance sheet. Now, the next point is objectives. The objective of bookkeeping is to prepare original books of accounts. That is, bookkeeping maintains original books of accounts. And the objective of accounting is to classify, summarizes, and provides information to its various users. The next is usefulness. So, bookkeeping is useful for recording and preservations of transactions. Bookkeeping records transactions, and accounting is useful for taking decision by the various users. So, this is the basic difference between bookkeeping and accounting. So, in nutshell, you can also say that bookkeeping is the basis of accounting. Bookkeeping confines itself to recording, posting, balancing, and preparations of trial balance. Bookkeeping is done by junior staff because the nature of work is clerical. Bookkeeping records transactions in a significant and orderly manner. Bookkeeping covers journalizing, posting, and extracting of balances. No adjustment or rectification is required in bookkeeping. The duties are primarily in nature and similar accounting principles are followed in bookkeeping. Whereas in accounting, it extends to preparation of final accounts after incorporating year-end adjustment. Accounting is done by senior staff because nature of the job requires imagination, skill, and analytical ability. Accounting classifies, summarizes, and provides information. Accounting covers preparations of final accounts and balance sheet, adjustment, transfers, allocation as per policy framework are incorporated in the final accounts that comes under accounting. Primary data is correlated, analyzed and converted into secondary information in accounting. Accounting follows after bookkeeping procedures are completed. And finally, reporting and interpretation may be different for different firms in accounting. So, this is the basic difference between accounting and bookkeeping.